We have to talk about this DJI Mic Mini. So just on my way to do a trail ride shoot. That's my setup here today, run and gun. A little dream shoot that I'll share very soon. Hey guys, I'm just on my way to hopefully do a trail ride shoot. It is snowing and hopefully the field is frozen enough this morning. They've had to cancel some rides because it got mild and then cold, so hopefully get some footage of that. Okay, so here I am getting some shots of the trail rides that they offer here. Snow is at least coming down a little bit now, but the war. So we'll see how this DJI does. It is a little bit windy. And then now we can't even go usual route because it's overflowing. The banks are flooding. So we just have to do a shorter trip here. But yeah, that's my setup here today, run and gun. Yeah, that's my setup here today, run and gun. Fact of being on a horse, we'll put some stabilization on here. It is beautiful. The banks are definitely high. They're waiting for me. Winter, you gotta love it. That's just the owner trying to make it up the hill. So I was just going to film the next ride, but they canceled. So I tried to go down the trail, and then that would have been a nice shot of them coming down. But what do you do? The weather is bad, people cancel. So I'll just look around for things to do up here. Let's go see the horses. Let's see what we got here. Hey. It was a good day here. Let me just show you down the hill here. I was doing a lot of filming down there. And the fun part, to go edit all this.
The love and the rise, the calm and the chaos. Adventure is waiting, dreams for the taking, it's all in view. The tension and ease, the wild and free. The moment is waiting, dreams for the taking, it's all in view. Everything is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. Lost in the wonder, caught up in colors that I've never seen before. Everything is beautiful. Everything is beautiful.
Just got back in the car from doing a bunch of filming. It is still snowing. I could not get the drone up today again. Really wanted to get, because it's so pretty getting these top-down shots in the snow, but maybe next weekend I'll get lucky and I can get the drone up for a few minutes. First coffee. So camera, as you can see, pretty wet from all the snow. Screen, everything. All in all, not too bad. You just have to keep checking your lens, wipe it off. Still got the mic here, so hopefully today will be a good test. I didn't do a lot on the Pocket when I was on Horseback. It was already enough filming, holding the camera. I know I got a few seconds in there with a Pocket, so we'll see how the sound turned out when it was windy. Other than that, we'll go back, get some more shots. I'm not gonna get it all done today because again, the next group canceled and I cannot stay for the group after that. So this is just how it works. It's never just a one and done with each type of things because I'm trying to build up a nice promo reel for them. I've done ones in the spring and kind of fall, so this is nice to show winter what you can expect coming out there. Yeah, you just gotta hustle, guys. Go out, make friends, make some contacts, build up a rapport and a relationship, and then just offer your services wherever you can. And then you don't always get it all in one shot. Sometimes it does. Sometimes I had the drone up here. So we just gotta keep coming back, get the whole thing done. And then we've got some other plans for filming here as well. So that's going to be a next project. But for now, I need to get my camera dry. I need to get myself dry. And then, yeah, we're gonna get these things on the computer and see what we got. I'm very excited. I know I took some photos today of the horses, which I'm hoping is gonna be good. So, well, guys, thanks for watching, and we're gonna keep doing this. Cheers for now. So on this shoot, it was particularly tricky with the weather, first of all, and the trail ride got cut short. Some of them cancel after, so obviously you work with what you get. The other thing is, all this, the little montage that you just watched, that was all shot on my Sony A7 III, which is still a great camera, but what happened on that day is I unfortunately forgot some of the connecting parts for the gimbal. So I had to forgo the gimbal and just handheld it, which was not ideal, not on a horseback. I've never done that, so I thought it would be okay. Clearly it was not that okay. This footage has all been stabilized quite heavily, which is a great feature in DaVinci, which I love. It can save your footage quite a lot, but that's just the thing. Sometimes you forget something and you just have to improvise. So I will say one thing, I am so impressed with the Pocket 3. It is so good on the horse. All the other footage that you saw, it was that there's no stabilization on that. That is just out of camera. So the ease and use of the Pocket 3 is so versatile, so you can definitely just go out in any situation and you're gonna get pretty smooth footage. I've now demonstrated that in the car as well for vlogging. It's just a great camera. So yeah, remember to double check all your parts that you have at all. So it can throw a wrench in your day, but what do? You still gotta go try and get what you can. The other thing is, like I said in the video, couldn't get more footage, so we'll just keep trying to get more. But there is the dream video shoot that I got to go do. Got to go film a little dream shoot that I'll share very soon. I'm busy working on that. It was absolutely pretty much everything that I could have asked and wanted out of this. So make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for that video coming. It was fantastic. That's all I can say. I'm so excited for how everything turned out there. So thanks if you made it this far. Leave a comment. If any of this is helping, please let me know. I'm going to be sharing more tips, tricks, mistakes. There's always going to be those, but we just got to keep improving, keep remembering, keep double checking our lists. So this channel really is to help anybody who's starting out, even if you're a little bit further along. It's just good to be reminded of certain things. I have to remind myself of a lot of things all the time, because sometimes I'm very guilty for being too tired when I'm doing my packing and I'm not thinking clearly, and that has definitely screwed me over more than once. So I have to get better at getting organized when I'm not overly tired, not 1 o'clock in the morning and I have to go shoot the next day. I really got to get better at that, because I am sometimes just too tired to remember every little thing. So I'm also constantly updating my gear list to make sure I remember everything. So the list is getting longer and more thorough. So hopefully I won't be forgetting crucial parts like that. At least I had my batteries there and memory cards, so that was a bonus. So we have to talk about this DJI Mic Mini. So out on the field in the open, incredible. It had beautiful noise control in there, wind control, really good. That's why I played that little scene where it recorded on the Sony with the shotgun mic. So just the difference between that and the DJI Mic Mini, incredible. So rest assured you will definitely have great audio with this. Still cannot believe for the price point how good this is, how easy it is to connect, and the battery life, fantastic. I had it on the whole day. I had it on my next shoot again, 4 hours in the cold, no problem. You will not run out of power for quite a bit. So definitely recommend it. I will add links in my description if you would like to go check it out. I will earn a small commission possibly from it through my Amazon affiliated links, but definitely guys, such a good purchase. I will list everything else that I have in my gear arsenal as well, and then you guys can go check it out. It does support me a little bit, but I'm still growing my YouTube channel, and right now I'm just really encouraged to help whoever I can with whatever experience and knowledge I have. In the next video, I'm going to share a little bit more about what I should have been doing from the get-go. So once again, Mic Mini, definitely approved. I'm loving this thing. It's so easy. Pouch that has both of them in there, and I'm not complaining. Again, battery life's gonna last me the whole day, so it's all good. And if I really have to charge them on the go, I can bring the cables with, throw on a power bank, and there you go. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and if that is something that you're considering purchasing.
The